Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you really interesting information that how to read hidden car defect codes. Now I have in my car, when we look, that there is no any defect and error engine light in this my car, and an engine is running. But then when we look this my defect code scanner, what is in my hand, we can see that there is one defect in there. And there is really defect code P2074, and how we can find that kind of defect. We have to go and we have to connect this my OPD scanner, what is in my hand, and then I check this OPD check and I press enter in here, and now it speaks with my car and note that engine is running. This is important. And then we look again and we can see that there is now one code in here, one codes found, and then I press enter and there is read codes, and again I press enter. Now it's talking and there is my code: manifold absolute pressure, mass airflow, throttle position, correlation at higher load. Okay, and that means now that this is related to turbocharger pressure, and this code is really on, and I have small issue in my car, and this is really small because I can see in here but no codes in there. And this is interesting because normally codes goes in that area in here. Okay, and that kind of information to you, my friend, and the advice and hint is that if we purchase good scanner like this iCarSoft, what we can purchase in internet in USA and in Europe, then we can find these defects in here. And also in this CarSoft there is the specific car diagnostic module that we can look even more accurate this information. When we have this, I have in these modules installed in my CarSoft, they are softwares, and now when we look in there like Mercedes-Benz, and there is this version software, I can see that what kind of more accurate issues I have. And now I have to choose in here this my car model. It takes a little bit time. It's E-Class car W in here, that one, and then again enter, and then sedan and diesel, and then first one, and I use now manual scan because this is like this engine control module. This is computer issue, and let's look at what we can find. Read faulty data, and now there is just similar 2074, and now it says very accurate that this is just one component, B2 divided 5. This is hot film mass airflow sensor. It is bad, and I need to really replace one component, and then this defect is away. This is nice. And then there is second defect, what was almost more hidden. The boost pressure deviates from a specific value. Component is deactivated. And this is one turbocharger thing, and this is also in low defect. And that means that if we use better scanners, we can find more defects. And this is the point and hint and advice in this my video. Thank you, my friend.